Dino said, "What's that I see? A big green tractor, come with me." Ella laughed, "Let's take a ride." Leo said, "Hop on, hold on tight." Round and round the big wheels go, through the fields and row by row. Beep, 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 we're on our way. It's a happy tractor day. Big wheels rolling round and round, tractors moving through the ground. Beep, 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 come along. Working together makes us strong. Pick the carrots, pick the corn. Look at all the plants we've grown. Momo helps and Ella too. There's so much work for us to do. Big wheels rolling round and round, tractors moving through the ground. Beep, 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 come along. Working together makes us strong. Chickens running cluck, cluck, cluck. Momo laughs, oh what good luck. Leo slows the tractor down.